Okay, today I made this earmuff um, out of an old sweater and a scarf because I didn't have any, and now I got to work on some gloves because I don't have any gloves. So I took an old scarf that I had cut up for scrap, and I just used the parts to it, and I made a little braid, and I doubled up the material here, made a little bit of a visor, to keep me from the snow and rain and stuff. Well, and then I made a little what do you call it, a flower with a couple little yarn dinglies and a couple dinglies that way. But it's like a, girly thing. So, see, you can do that with any old sweater. Just come up with an imagination. If you can sew, you can do this. So, I'm going to like it because I can pull this up for like the wind. So that'll be really nice. So, more later.